Tello. Yeah. This is like the strongest wind, guys. And Tello can still able to fly in a hurricane wind. Look at this. Woo! Yeah. He's still flying in a hurricane wind. I mean, it's like sandblasting. Look at that, sandblaster already. You can see Tello still flying. When is the Mavic Mini drone coming out? Look at that. Woo! Tello, an extreme wind. Hurricane Dorian. Look at that. Woo! Yeah. Now look how sandy it is, guys. Look how steady it is right now. You can see it's backing up. I'm not touching the controller. It's blowing like crazy. Oh, I'm gonna go. Whoa! Whoa! Wow. Look at that. It's still moving. Look at the... Can you still give me a picture? Still give me a picture. Wow. Look at the flag. This is a hurricane wind. Alright, this is a hurricane wind. Look at it. Woo! Yeah, it's still coming. It's still coming. It's still coming. Still coming. Look at Ryze Tello. Wow. Alright. It's recording right now. It's back. Look at it. I'm off the app. And I'm go back in my app. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to fast mode, and then I'm gonna go fast. Interestingly. Woo! Look at Tello in extreme wind. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. There's a hurricane wind right here, and he's still able to. Oh man, everything is going back. Woo! Woo! Yeah, how far can it go? How far? Oh, it's not. I can still do it. I can still come back. Oh my goodness. I can still able to retrieve him. This is like probably like what, 50 miles an hour wind. I mean, no one's skateboarding here right now. Woo! Look at it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and land. God, I'm still able to land. Wow. And it's still, let's see. Yeah, it's still able to fly. Woo! Look at the back flag, guys. Look at the hurricane flag. It's moving like crazy. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.